We need oxygen because it's essential for cellular respiration, the process our cells use to produce energy. Here's how it works. Energy production. Our cells use oxygen to break down glucose sugar from the food we eat. This happens in the mitochondria through a process called aerobic respiration, which produces ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell. Efficiency. Oxygen allows cells to produce much more ATP than they would without it. Around 36 ATP per glucose molecule, versus just 2 in anaerobic respiration. Survival. Without oxygen, cells can't produce enough energy to function properly. If cells don't get oxygen for too long, like in the brain or heart, they die, which is why oxygen is so critical for survival. In short, oxygen fuels the process that keeps our cells alive and functioning. We feel embarrassed because it's a social emotion, tied to how we think others perceive us. It usually kicks in when we believe we've violated a social norm, made a mistake in front of others, or drawn unwanted attention to ourselves. Our brains are wired to care about our social standing, so embarrassment is kind of like an internal alarm system, reminding us to stay in good standing with our group or community. On a deeper level, it helps maintain social harmony by encouraging self-awareness and discouraging behavior that could lead to rejection or conflict. It's awkward, yeah, but it's also a sign that you care about others and how you impact them. What sparked your curiosity? Something embarrassing happened recently. We grow hair because it's part of how our bodies are designed to protect, regulate, and sense the environment. Protection. Hair helps shield us. Eyelashes keep dust out of your eyes. Nose hair filters particles. And scalp hair protects your head from sun and cold. Temperature regulation. Body hair helps trap heat. In colder environments, it helps maintain body temperature, though humans don't rely on this as much anymore. Sensation. Hair follicles are connected to nerve endings, so hair acts like a sensor to detect movement or touch. For biological signaling, hair, like beards or body hair, also plays a role in sexual selection and signaling maturity, especially during puberty. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth, acid that can eat away at tooth enamel and cause. Brushing helps remove it before it hardens into tartar. Cavities, holes in your teeth. Brushing also keeps your gums healthy. If plaque gets under the gum line, it can lead to gingivitis or more serious gum disease. Brushing helps get rid of food particles and bacteria that cause bad breath. Poor oral hygiene has been linked to other health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and infections. Sweating and respiration help maintain a stable body temperature, processes that rely on adequate hydration. Water makes up about 50 to 70% of your body weight and is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and facilitating digestion. Every cell, tissue, and organ requires water to function properly. It aids in nutrient absorption and energy production.